Hello wonderful viewers. Today we have a special topic to talk about that's all about spreading love, gratitude and appreciation. We will be exploring the incredible world of thank you bags, a small gesture that carries a big message. Stay tuned as we dive into the art of expressing gratitude through these unique bags. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is a thank you bag? Well, it's more than just a bag. It's a way of showing appreciation to someone in a thoughtful and creative manner. Let's see how these bags bring joy and smile to people's face. Personalization is the key. From handwritten notes to small gifts and trinkets, these bags can be customized to reflect your unique bond with the recipient. Let your creativity shine through. Imagine the joy of receiving thank you bag unexpectedly. It's a delightful surprise that warms the heart and reminds us of kindness and gratitude that exist all around us. Whether it's birthday bash or wedding extravaganza, thank you bags add a personal touch to any occasion. They make a moment even more memorable and meaningful. It's not just personal relationships. These bags have found their way into the corporate world too. Businesses are using them to express gratitude to clients, partners, and employees. It's incredible how a small gesture can create a ripple effect of kindness. Let's hear from some individual who have experienced the magic of thank you bags firsthand. Now, it's your turn to spread some gratitude. In this segment, we will guide you through creating your own unique thank you bags to touch the hearts of your loved ones. Thank you for joining us on this journey of gratitude and appreciation. Remember, a thank you bag is not just a bag, it's a symbol of love and thoughtfulness. Make someone's day brighter with this simple yet meaningful gesture. If you want to buy these reusable thank you bags, then you can mail us on below mail ID, or you can call or WhatsApp on below contact number. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more heartwarming content. Until next time, let's continue spreading love one thank you bags at a time.